Safer Buildings, how to accept a checklist transfer. This video will show you how to accept the transfer of a checklist as the new agent or building owner using the online system. Please note, you must have a myqbcc account to accept the building transfer. Watch the short registration video to assist your myqbcc account creation at the link shown on the screen. But before you log in, let's make sure you have everything you need. Consider using Chrome as your default browser. For a new agent, a completed Form 43 proof of agency. For a new owner, a completed Form 37 change of building ownership. Firstly, it should be noted that using Chrome as your default browser will ensure the best performance of the online system. You can change to Chrome using your computer settings. If you are accepting the transfer from a previous agent, you will need to complete and sign a Form 43 proof of agency so it can be uploaded into the online system. This form provides you authority to act on behalf of the building owner and can be found on the resources page of the Safer Buildings website. If you are accepting a transfer from a previous building owner, you will need to complete and sign a Form 37 change of building ownership so it can be uploaded into the online system when accepting the transfer. This form must be signed by the previous owner. They must also provide to you copies of all documentation provided or received for that building. Before you can accept the transfer, you must log in to myqbcc. Once you have logged in, select the Safer Buildings tab. The Before You Begin page you see outlines the criteria to register. Please read this information to ensure your building meets the criteria and then click Continue. If your building doesn't meet the criteria outlined here, please contact the Safer Buildings team to discuss the options available to you. You are now in the Safer Buildings online system. To obtain the simplest view of your registrations, always click on the Consolidated View tab. If this is your first building, there will be no entries listed. Before we accept the transfer, we are going to add the details of the building owner by clicking the Add Owner button found on the right side of the screen. Even if you are acting as agent, you will need to add the building owner's details here. Complete all fields relevant to the building owner. Remember, the building owner can be an individual, a company, or a body corporate. The building owner's name must be added to the organisation field. Once all these fields are completed, click Save. You will now see the building owner appear in your consolidated view list. Whilst keeping your Safer Buildings webpage open, you're going to go back to the transfer initiated email you received from the previous owner or agent, as this email contains the link and password allowing you to accept the transfer. Scroll down the email until you find the heading How to Proceed with the Building Transfer. Copy or write down the transfer password, as you'll need this in the next screen, and then click the link above that password. The link will take you to this building transfer screen, which is linked to the online system. Please note, if the link doesn't open to the screen shown here, please check that you have Chrome set as your default browser. Copy or enter the transfer password into the box and select Next. Please note, the building transfer is valid for 14 days from the date it was initiated. After this time, the process will need to be restarted by the original building owner. The building transfer screen will now ask you to select the name of the building owner. You can select the name of the building owner you entered earlier from the drop-down list, or if the name is not there, select Add New Owner. When the building owner has been selected, answer the question, Are you the owner of the building? Select Yes if you are the building owner, select No if you are acting as agent for the building owner. If you have selected No because you are an agent, you are required to upload a Form 43 proof of agency. Please ensure this form is completed in full and signed and dated by the building owner and yourself as agent. If you have the completed form ready to upload, click the Upload Files button and choose the correct document from your directory. Click Done when the document is uploaded and then Save. If you don't have this form completed at this point, you can click Save and upload it at a later time. You will now see the building details screen, which shows the status of the building. Select Continue Checklist to progress the checklist, or click on the Return to drop-down list and select Consolidated View to return to the Consolidated View tab. On returning to the Consolidated View tab, you will notice the status of this building has changed. You can continue the checklist from this screen by opening the Action drop-down list and selecting Continue Checklist. Please note, an email will be sent to you and the previous owner or agent confirming the transfer has been successful. For more information, please refer to the fact sheets, how-to videos and forms available on the resources page of the Safer Buildings website. To find the resources page, go to the homepage of the website, click on the Help tab and select Resources. Thank you.